Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul. It has been a hot minute since I have done one of these. I don't go to the Dollar Tree as much as I used to. I used to go all the time. I used to stalk sites and YouTube just to see what was out there and I would run and go get it. Now I'm just like, yeah. I love going to Goodwill. It's my favorite thing. But Dollar Tree haul today. They had Valentine stuff. Let's just start there. So I picked up 2 of these. I love these for my 3-tier tray. I bought one of these last year and it fits perfect in mine. This one says follow your heart. And I thought I was gonna go with the softer colors this year, like the whites and the pinks. And then when I seen the whites and the pinks, I'm like, no, we're gonna stick with red. I like the reds and the blacks and the whites. I like that color for Valentine's Day. This one says, here's the key to my heart with a little key on it. I just think these are super cute. The next thing is some flowers I picked up. I just picked up this baby's breath. I like to use this for spring. I don't know, I think it looks good with the red. They also had this baby breath as well in this red color. And I loved this. I think it'd look cute in a vase, on a wreath, anything like that. So I picked up those to kind of mix together. I grabbed this. This says follow your heart. I'm not 100% sure what I plan on doing with this, but I thought it was really cute and so I got it. The next things are these signs. I picked up actually 4 of these. These are the longer love signs. They have these every single year. My Dollar Tree has never had these. They have the galvanized heart. And I love the way it kind of has like the grooves in the wood. Yeah, this is the first year my Dollar Tree has ever had these, or at least the first year I was ever able to pick them up. So I was super excited to get these. The next thing, we're just gonna keep with the Valentine stuff real quick, and then I did find some other stuff. I picked up this. I thought this was a super cute like wreath form if I took everything apart. But then I also found this heart wreath form. So I guess I'll be making 2 wreaths since I did pick them both up. I might as well use them. And I think this is all I'm gonna buy for Valentine's Day. I will do some like decorating videos along with some DIYs, but this is probably all I'll do for Valentine's since I only decorate a small area for the holiday. The next thing is this foam glittery heart. I just thought this was kind of cute and it can be used for a wreath or inside a wreath or on a larger wreath. It's just so many possibilities there. I grabbed these. I grabbed these last year as well and I ended up using a lot of them. I'll leave links to my last year's Valentine's DIYs from Dollar Tree if you guys do want to check those out to get a little bit inspiration now if you want to start crafting, because these probably won't be out till January. Like, I gotta have a little bit of time. I'm just doing a ton of haul videos right now and no DIYs. They will be coming, I promise. Trying to get back in the groove of all of it. I found these. These were just fun, I guess, for iced coffee or for the kids or whatever. They're ice cube trays, but they are shaped as jelly bellies or jelly beans. So I thought those were kind of fun, and I don't know. It was just something fun, and they're the silicone trays, and I don't know. Who doesn't like that? These are new. I was really excited about. They had a ton of different colors. I'm not allowed to film at my Dollar Tree, so I can't show you or like take pictures or anything like that. So I couldn't show you all the colors and stuff, but this is what I'm going with. I think I'm gonna use these for the winter time and then maybe all year round. But they are just like little, okay, they're called dried flower bouquet white. And look how pretty they are. I don't know, I just really liked these a lot. And there's something that I've never seen at the Dollar Tree. They only had 4 of these white ones, so I did just grab them all. Just because I wasn't 100% sure what I would do with them and if I would need more, and they weren't going to have any more. So grab 4 of those. The next thing is this love sign. I think they had these last year. I cannot remember. I think they might have just been plain, but I love the colors of this. I think I'm just going to keep this as is. How cute is this? It's like wooden love sign. That's just Valentine's. Okay, that was really it for Valentine's Day. They had decorative moss. So I have not used moss in a really long time, but look at this moss. So there's like pine cones in here. There is this like white moss. There is like, I don't know, stuff inside the moss. There is just all kinds of really fun, there's just really a lot of fun things in here. So I grabbed these. They also had surprise packages. These are just dinosaurs or the Jurassic Park. These are really great for Easter, for Christmas, whatever. The kids were with me, so they're just gonna get these today anyway. So just showing you. They also had Polly Pockets. How cute are Polly Pockets at the Dollar Tree? They just had this one. Trying to see if I can get a better look of her, but the glare is just, there we go, there's something. We're getting somewhere. Anyways, she's cute. That's the only one they had, so I just grabbed that. And I don't know if these are gonna be at all the Dollar Trees, but I am from Michigan, and nearby in the town of Battle Creek is where Kellogg's makes their cereal. So if you guys eat these, I hope you think of me once in a while. But 50-piece puzzles. How cute are these? You get a 2-pack, and they have the Rice Krispies and the Apple Jacks. And then they have the Frosted Flakes and the Fruit Loops. And this just kind of looks like some like vintage, because obviously like the, they don't look like that now. These definitely obviously look like how they do, but thought that was really cool. I've never seen these. These are right at the checkout. So I grabbed those. I always grab some of this every time I go. I know this isn't like anything like fun, but the Reynolds Wrap, the foil sheets are like amazing, and they're only $1, and you get 25 sheets, and this goes a long way because we don't use it a ton, but it's just convenient. And the very last thing I grabbed at Dollar Tree was these. These are always fun to try. I always see these at the stores, and I'm not gonna spend $3 on these, but they had the Duncan Hines perfect size for one. They have it in Chips Ahoy. They have it in the Honey Maid and the Oreo, and they had a million of them, but I just picked up these. Presley is sitting right next to me, per usual, so if you guys hear a little bit of background noise, that's why. But that's it for the video, you guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, I will be posting a little bit more this coming year on my Instagram. So make sure you are following me on Instagram for fun, for pictures, for videos. I don't know. For decorating inspiration. We'll see. We'll see what I do in 2020. It's coming up so soon. It's insane. It's going to be here in a few days. But anyways, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!